What was the best catch-all card in 2024? What was the hardest card to get? And more importantly, what have the people said is the best card of the year? Well, I tallied the votes and I got the answers. And in this video, I'm gonna share it all with you. Where do you stand compared to the community? But before we get into all that, hi, I'm Lonnie and
welcome to Jurassic Park.
No, just kidding. Welcome to the 2024 People's Choice Credit Card Awards. A few weeks back, I asked the community to vote and respond to questions on specific categories pertaining to their favorite credit cards over the last year. And boy, did you guys respond. I received hundreds of responses from best looking card to the best travel ecosystem overall. And now I've compiled the answers. Interested to see who won what? Okay, let's talk about it. To start, this is not official or scientific in any way. It's fun, okay? So have fun. Why so serious?
Why so serious?
Seriously, this is not a representation of the entire credit card portfolio of options, but more so a representation of enthusiasts such as yourself across their various credit card experiences of those who participated. And if you didn't participate or missed out, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out again. All right? Enough of that. Let's kick it right off with our first category, and that's the issuer with the hardest cards to get. Now, I'm not surprised at this one because I hear so many horror stories. Even though I don't have this card myself, it did receive 48.3% of the votes. So the winner of hardest cards to get is Capital One. Like I said, I don't have any Capital One cards myself, never even applied for one before, but based on the stories I've heard from other members of the community and the amount of cards I have, I don't think I could get one at this point. Anyway, of course, if we have the hardest cards to get via approval rate, then we need to also look at the easiest cards to get, also based on approval rate. And the award for the card issuer with the easiest cards to get, winning by a landslide with 70% of the total votes, is American Express. Now, I fully understand this one. In case you're not aware, Amex is very lenient with their card applications and approvals. Once you build up a history with them, when you're ready to apply for another Amex card, there's a good chance they'll only soft pull your credit. This prevents the hard inquiry hit that most of us dread, thus making getting approved easier. Real talk, I recently got approved for the Hilton Honors Aspire card and I didn't even unfreeze my credit reports. Now, if we can fix pop-up jail, we'd be in business. Moving on, we have the most interesting category of the video, and that's the best design card. Even though design isn't a big deal nowadays, especially with how many of us are using digital wallets, I still appreciate a good looking credit card design. On metal. In 2024, did not disappoint when it came to design refreshes. We got new designs from United, Hilton, Amex Gold, but the one that not only took the W and also 50% of the total votes is a Delta Sky Miles Reserve Boeing 747 edition. I don't even have the card, and that's the one I voted for. All I can say is Chase, Amex, United, step your game up. Now, following up the best card design, we have the best unboxing experience. To some, the unboxing experience is an important part of accepting a new card, mainly because so many cards arrive in simple white envelopes. So this award goes to the cards that go over and beyond by adding an extra layer of satisfaction when receiving a new card. And to any issuers watching this, once again, feel free to step your game up. Okay, and the winner of best unboxing experience with 51% of the vote is the American Express Platinum card. Instant express shipping, thick box, it's nice. And it would be wrong not to mention the bilt MasterCard's unboxing experience, which came in second with 39% of the votes and my personal choice. Then also the Hilton Honors Aspire card, which is the same as an Amex Platinum, just in a blue box. And I only know this because, as I recently mentioned, I just got the Aspire card. Spoiler alert, that video is coming soon. And if you want any details about these cards, Click the link tree in the description. All right, next we have the best welcome offer of 2024. And without question or debate, the people agree that with 52% of the votes was the 175,000 membership reward points offer on the American Express Platinum card. Second place wasn't even close. For this, I have to agree, as I took advantage of this offer myself. And once again, we did the personal cards, so let's do the business cards. Starting with the honorable mention, first, the old reliable Chase Ink Unlimited 90,000 Ultimate Reward Points offer took 39% of the votes. I say old reliable as Chase usually does one inflated offer like this at least once a year. I mean, it's probably the main reason many of us have multiple ink cards. But the winner, taking over 56% of the total vote, is, once again, the Amex Business Platinum, which offered 250,000 membership reward points after the designated spend requirement. If you got this offer, let me know in the comments, and congratulations. Now, being the people have spoken for the best welcome offers, which card does the community believes has the best perks? And in this case, perks are considered to be the included overall benefits and value which come with the card compared to the annual fee. And no surprise, not even a fight, with a whopping 68% of the vote, the win goes to American Express Platinum card with a $695 annual fee, but can almost instantly get $600 of that back relatively easily, plus Hilton and Marriott Gold status on top of Avis and Hertz President status. I have to agree, if you get past the hefty annual fee, I would recommend taking a look. Switching from perks to credits, and I know many of you are annoyed and turned off by credits, but hey, it's part of the game. Facts. And a lot of credits have changed over the year for many cards. So which card have the people stated have the best provided credits? Beginning with the honorable mentions, coming in third, we have the Amex Gold card at 14%. Very closely followed by the Chase Sapphire Reserve with 18% of the total vote. But the people's winner for the card with the best credit for 2024 with 42% of the vote also goes to the American Express Platinum card. No big surprise here, Amex is the king of credits. I actually talk about that in this video. Go check it out next. Okay, entering the final stretch, as most of us are into receiving and maximizing the points and miles we receive from our cards. Now that we have them, which rewards ecosystem provides us the best value? And before you get too far ahead of me, coming in second with 29% of the vote is American Express. But the overall winner, chosen by the people with 61% of the total vote, is the Chase Ultimate Rewards ecosystem. The value, the points boosts, transfer partners, all of the above. I get it. It's an ecosystem that can wear many hats. And speaking of many hats, next we have the best catch-all card. Now, this one is unique in a very tight race. Only a 9% difference between the top three results. In third place, with 18% of the votes, is the Capital One Venture X, a premium card with its 2x on everything. Coming in place number 2 is the old faithful Chase Freedom Unlimited, with 25% of the votes, earning 1.5 Chase UR points per dollar at minimum for a $0 annual fee. But the winner, coming in with 27% of the total vote, something I didn't expect, but the people have spoken, is the US Bank Altitude Reserve. I'm sure this is driven by the 3x you can earn per dollar via mobile wallet spend. As I mentioned earlier, most of us use mobile wallets a lot. That was good. Let's finish this up with our last category of the day, the people's choice for best premium travel card. Premium cards at times can get a bad rap due to their high annual fees and maintenance to ensure you pull all the value out of them. Love them or hate them, if you want to maximize your experiences, you'll probably have one at some point. But enough fluff, credit where credit is due. The Chase Sapphire Reserve, based on the voice of the people, comes in third with 24% of the vote. But the difference between the top two, which are the American Express Platinum and the Capital One Venture X, is only a 4% difference. And the winner for the People's Choice Best Premium Travel Card at 40% of the total vote is, can I get like a drum roll or something? The Capital One Venture X. I know a lot of you have amazing things to say regarding this card, and your voice has been heard. If you do have it, drop some ways you enjoy using it in the comments down below. And there you have it. The people have spoken. Where do you stand related to your peers or the community? I'm interested in seeing how many of you use some of the cards that I don't have. Anyway, that was fun. Thanks to all who participated. Let's see if any of this changes in 2025 and what new categories we'll add. Subscribe so you don't miss out and check out this video next. All right? Catch you in the next one. Peace.